In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo code for YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, I'm going to jump straight into the video. Alright, on your mobile device, or even if you're on a PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and then type in YouTube TV promo code. And then from here, you get a whole list of different results inside YouTube. So you can click on any one of these, but one I really like to use and works 90% of the time is don'tpayfull.com. So as you can see, there's $15 off YouTube TV promo code. So I'm going to go ahead and click into that. And now to get any one of these promo codes, all what you need to do is just click onto the deal here. So $15 off. So I'm going to click onto this code. And now from here, what I want to do is click on copy this code and then paste this code at the checkout section of YouTube TV to activate that code and get my $15 off English-based YouTube TV subscriptions, plus $8 off free months for new subscribers.